cabinet. This should...
Hey guys, what's up? It's Gabby and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is an exciting one. We are getting ready to remove the wall between our kitchen and dining room. This is something that we have been wanting to do since we moved into this house, and so this project is extremely exciting for us. Before we get started, be sure to like this video, let me know what you guys think in the comments down below, and be sure to hit subscribe so you don't miss content like this. Without further ado, let's get started. Here. So to get started, we decided to work on the back side of the wall just because that didn't have any of the cabinets. We first started off with a handsaw because we didn't want to accidentally cut into any utilities or anything important. And then once Michael saw that there was nothing that he could cut through, he went in with the jigsaw. We went ahead and removed all the screws from the cabinets. We also cut off the power, and Michael is getting ready to pull off the cabinets from the wall. There's one more screw in the cabinet, but we cannot get it out, so Michael's just gonna pull it off. We just take the whole wall down with the cabinet still on it.
Cabinets to pull off. Everyone makes it look so easy on the internet.
Oh.
Oh yes. Okay, the whole thing is going to come down.
At least
Yay! Yay!
Did you get it?
Got it! Oh, how are we gonna do this? Found this wallpaper behind the cabinet. This should be the original. Oh, cool. Ah! All right, this is not worth it. Hold on. 2 of working on the kitchen wall removal. What are we doing today?
Today we are relocating electrical switches and outlets.
Hopefully we finish that today.
We should be alright.
So this is everything that we were able to accomplish after about a day and a half of demo. We were able to take down all the drywall and the soffit, and we are getting ready to start relocating the electrical. A lot of electrical is located on this wall, so the first thing we want to do is start relocating it to this side wall that we are keeping.
So we're going to put the outlet on this side, and then we're going to put the 2 switches for the garbage disposal and the pendant lighting that we plan to put right here.
So while Michael is working on relocating all of that electrical, I'm gonna get started demoing the rest of the ceiling. We are back at Home Depot because our wire is not long enough, so we are going to need to either rewire the whole thing or put it in a splice box. Is that what it's called? A splice junction box. Either way, it's 4 o'clock on a Sunday and it's not looking good for us, so something that should have taken us 2 hours is now going to take us 2 weeks. So what we're doing is we need to redo the electrical because we wanted to move the switch from here to here. And so it all goes to the light that you guys can't see right here. So we basically pulled out the old wire and we replaced it with this new, I don't even know if you can see it, but we replaced it with the new wire. Yeah, that's what we're doing. What we were able to accomplish yesterday. We ended up starting the process of getting the switch over to the dining room from here to here. However, I think we've decided to just go ahead and... Hey guys, so it's the next day and good news and bad news. We were not able to finish out the electrical, and I don't think we're gonna end up finishing the electrical. Pretty sure we are gonna go ahead and hire somebody to finish out this project. Although we were really excited to do a lot of the work ourselves, I think we realized yesterday just how much work all of this is and how long it's gonna take us to do it. We went ahead and we met with a couple of different contractors to go ahead and finish out this project. They're gonna go ahead and relocate all of the electrical, the plumbing. They're gonna remove that AC vent that you can see behind me. And then there's also a dryer vent that we need to have replaced. And then they're also gonna do all the drywall. So they're actually doing a lot of work. I will definitely speed up this project. To put it in perspective, this was probably gonna take us at least like 2-3 months to do on our own. But with the contractor, it'll take like 2-3 days. So I think it's money well spent. I'm also like the fact that there's peace of mind in all of this. We're hiring licensed professionals to get everything done so our house won't catch on fire or flood. And then ultimately we can decide if we want to go ahead and just do the full kitchen at this point or if we want to just do the wall removal. So really excited about that news. A little bummed that we can't do it on our own, but I think that this is ultimately the most responsible thing to do. So yeah, this is everything that we have been able to accomplish. The contractors are going to come in and relocate this wire, which is the just an outlet. They're going to put that behind this wall. They're going to relocate this, which is actually the dishwasher, and it's on a switch, which is weird. So they're just going to eliminate that and put it underneath the sink. And then these two, one of them used to be a pendant light, the other one used to be the garbage disposal. So they're going to put both of those right here in that little box. And then this is an outlet. They're going to go ahead and put it there. These are all of these copper pipes are our plumbing. So one of these is cold and hot for the sink, and then there's another one I think down here, which is for the dishwasher. They're gonna go ahead and relocate all of that again over here, hopefully. And then this AC vent, they're gonna go ahead and just remove / replace on the other side of this wall. This is where it sits, so they'll probably shift it over this way, or maybe eliminate it entirely and make that one bigger. I don't know. I'll talk to the contractor tomorrow on exactly what he's gonna do about that. There was a switch here for the chandelier in the dining room that we were able to get shifted to this wall, which we're really proud of ourselves for. There's a dryer vent here that we need to go ahead and replace. It's just like sitting on top of the ceiling, which is not great. So that's everything that we are gonna have the drywall or the contractor do. And then once everything is done, they're gonna remove all of the wood studs from here up, and then all of this will just be one big beautiful bright room. So we're super excited about that. So this is day one of the contractors being here, and they were able to get so much done. At this point, they were able to remove all the electrical and plumbing, and then the next day they came and removed all of the framing. Now they're getting ready to drywall. They moved super fast, and I wasn't able to get as much footage as I wanted to. Quick update, I'm actually super sick right now, but the contractors went ahead and removed the wall, and it's looking so good. They need to do a couple of repairs to some of the plumbing. There's a pipe that's leaking, but once they do that, they're gonna come in and finish laying out the drywall and doing all the pretty trim work and stuff. So I'm super excited for that next update to share with you guys. So I'm going to be sharing that update, but just want to come on here and show you what it's looking like so far. I'm shocked at how good it looks. They finally left and I was able to pick up. Honestly, I'm feeling so sick right now, but look at how good it looks. So like I said, I was not feeling well, but I wanted to share everything that the contractors were able to do in that week. In my next video, I'm going to be sharing the final reveal, how we end up decorating the dining room. So be sure to like and follow so you don't miss the progress of this makeover. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye!